Hello everyone. Are you a distance education candidate? Do you have any difficulties in registering the online applications for December 2021 examinations? Then you must watch this video till the end without skipping. Before that, I'm Dr. Rekha and I make videos related to education. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and click bell button so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video. Bharatiya University is going to conduct distance education examinations from 20th December 2021. Well, the last date to register the online application is 30th November 2021. Due to server busy, some technical issues was faced by the candidates while filling the online application. And I received lots of doubts in the comment section about the issues faced while filling the online application. So in this video I'll give you some solution for these issues, and also I'll be sharing about the live demo for filling the online application registrations. First you have to open online registration for distance education exam in Bharatiya University website. The link I have given in the description, you can check it. When you click the link, the page will be like this. Your connection is not private. Actually, this is for your security purpose. That is, attackers may be try to steal the informations from the website. So in order to protect, we have to turn on the enhanced protection in the settings, and then you can continue the page. So many candidates are finding difficulties, they don't know what to do. So here what you have to do is click the advanced button given below, but it's not safe. It's given that it can cause misconfiguration in your connections. Anyway, you can it's below, it's mentioned that proceed to exam application. So you can click the proceed to exam application link. A small window will open, so you have to select continue button. In the next window, examination application registration will be opened. Here you have to give your register number or enrollment number. Then you have to click check me button. Your register number with your name will be verified, and then you have to email ID, password, secret question and answer. Candidates who admitted till 2020 can apply for the examinations, and those who have registered in the year 2021 will not be able to apply for the December 2021 examinations. Well, after registering successfully, you can click sign in button. Next, using your email ID and password, you can log in the portal. Your application page will open and it shows register number, enrollment number, your name, your address, PIN code, email ID, course, study center, exam center and subject which you are going to write for the exam. It is mandatory to give your mobile number, because all the notification related to the payment will be sent to the given mobile number. Next, you have to select the exam center. Around 100 places in India is allotted as exam center. You can select the center of your nearest place. Next, all the subjects for the upcoming examinations will be given with the tick marks. You can remove the tick mark if you are not willing to appear for the exam. Anyway, the timetable for the December 2021 examinations is given, so you can check the timetable, and if you are not able to write the exam, you can just untick the subject. Well, if you are first year students, then you have to tick all the current year subjects, and you are instructed to pay the first appearance fee. Fee details for theory, practical, viva voce, mark statement, exam center fee, provisional consolidate mark statement, cost of application, postal expense and first appearance fee is given. It will vary for each courses. Fees will not be same for all the candidates. It depends upon the batch and the courses, and it varies. One thing which I have noted is the exam center fees is different for each places. For Coimbatore, the exam center fee is rupees 300, and for long distance like Delhi and some places in Kerala, the exam center fees is rupees 800. In the comment section, many candidates have asked me about the exam fees details. I cannot say the exact exam fees because it changes according to the course and the year of admission. Then if you're confirmed with the information given in the application, then you can click to submit button. In the next page, all the information about your registration will be given. Your register number, enrollment number, name of the candidate, study center, course, mobile number, email ID, examination center, and total exam fees to be paid. If you are ready to make the payments, then you can click Make Payment button to confirm your registration. Payment can be done through net banking, wallet, cash card, debit card, UPI, and pay with the QR code. Here I am selecting net banking. You can select your bank. Here I am selecting State Bank of India, and here below it's given the amount which you are going to pay. You can proceed by clicking the pay button. It is redirected to the payment option. From here also you can select the payment option by using whether it is card or net banking or cash or wallet or UPI or by scanning the QR code. Here I am selecting debit card option and click pay now button. Next page is about confirmation. Here you can see the amount, convenience fees, tax and the total amount. So if you are ready to pay, you can click confirm button. Well, I am clicking confirm button. So in the next page we can see that the card number, name, expiry date and CVV number, everything is we have to give it, and after giving the details we have to click pay now button. I cannot share the personal information, so I have done, and in the next page registration information will open. We can download the application by clicking print application. Well, this is the live demo for the online application registration. Hope you will follow like this. But some candidates had some issues in making the payment of exam fees. They are saying that after making the payment, the page is redirecting to sign in again. So they were not sure about whether the payment have been done successfully or not. Once if you face such problem, and again if you are trying to make the payments, then the amount will be debited from your account. What you have to do is wait for some hours and again sign in the portal and check whether you have been done successfully or not. Well, if you have not received registration information, then you can make a call to university. Bharatiya University distance education contact number is 0422 2428189. 0422 is the code. So the next number is 0422 2428190, then 2428191. Thousands of candidates are studying under distance education of Bharatiya University, so the line will be always busy. You keep trying so that you can inform them. Another problem faced by the candidates are the subjects which they have to select for the upcoming examination. That is, the previous year subjects which they have written and got passed is mentioned again to apply for the exam. And like that, the current paper will be 3 or 4, but in the portal it will be showing as 5 more than the current year subjects. If you face such issues, then you should not pay the fees. You have to call university department and you have to inform about this problem. Remember that only university can make changes in your application form. If you inform them, they will make the corrections immediately, and further you can do the payment process. Candidates, hope all your doubts is clear now. The exam is going to be commenced from 20th December 2021 and the timetable is released. You can download the timetable from university website. Well, 3 days before the commencement of examination, you will receive notification to download the hall ticket from university website. Don't forget to click like button if this video is useful for you. Further, if you have any more doubts, you can drop in the comment section. For receiving latest updates, you can follow Instagram and Telegram. Link I have given in the description of this video. Wish you all the best for your exam. Thank you for watching.